Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
In the electric vehicle market, one company stands out from the rest: China's leading battery maker, Contemporary Amperex Technology Co., Limited, or CATL, as it's more commonly known. Today, we're talking about CATL's huge listing in Hong Kong, a move that sends a clear message to the world. China's clean energy companies are on the rise, and they won't be ignored. CATL, which controls over a third of the global market for EV batteries, raised an astonishing $4.6 billion in its Hong Kong trading debut, the largest IPO of the year. Shares traded as high as 18.4% above the listing price, giving investors a glimpse into just how much excitement surrounds this company. Now, let's dive deeper into what makes CATL so special. With batteries for Tesla and other major automakers under its belt, CATL is often compared to the tech giant itself, the 800-pound gorilla in the battery space, says independent analyst Lei Xing. And it's no wonder, given that CATL has a strong presence on the global stage. But despite being one of the world's top players, CATL faces significant challenges. The company is among dozens of Chinese companies blacklisted by the U.S. Pentagon over alleged ties to the Chinese military, a move that's also impacted its relationship with American automakers like Ford. The House Select Committee has even urged Bank of America and J.P. Morgan Chase to withdraw from a deal with CATL, citing these concerns. Now, let's talk about the implications of these trade barriers on the U.S. EV market. Experts say that with high tariffs on lithium-ion batteries, American electric vehicles are priced out of reach for many consumers. It could take at least a decade for the U.S. to develop its own version of CATL, but in the meantime, Chinese companies like BYD and CATL are leading the charge. CATL plans to use most of the funds raised from this IPO to build a new factory in Hungary, allowing it to produce batteries for European automakers. And it's not just about expansion, it's also about establishing a presence outside of China. They know that in order to continue to grow the way they want to, they really need to establish a presence outside of China, says Tu Le, Detroit-based founder and managing director of Sino Auto Insights. So what does this mean for consumers? Simply put, CATL is making electric vehicles more affordable one battery at a time. With its new battery cell capable of delivering over 300 miles of driving range with just 5 minutes of charging, the company is giving car manufacturers the tools they need to create more sustainable vehicles. In a world where the future of transportation is looking increasingly electric, companies like CATL are paving the way for a cleaner, greener tomorrow. And as we look ahead to an uncertain future, one thing is clear: China's clean energy companies won't be ignored, not by investors and not by consumers.